and mess up your area. I think we got power last night, so we was without it for about a day and a half, I think. But Friday, I spent most of my day down here. I hung all this red tape up, clearing trees in the Jeep. So there's the one I just passed back there, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. 15 trees were down over here by the house. Me and 2 of the neighbors got chainsaws and the Jeep. Went out there and started cutting trees and moving them and trying to clear paths for people to get through. One guy tried to go around one of the trees, I think, and he wound up in a ditch. So once we moved the tree, I was able to pull him out. We actually got stuck. We didn't get stuck, we got trapped back there on that road. We was going through, and the neighbor was up in front of us by a tree that was down, and I'd seen one that was leaning. I'm like, man, that one's gonna fall next. And I went ahead and started driving again to get up next to him, and as soon as we got like 30 foot past that tree, it fell. And we were kind of trapped. So we were gonna try and cut our way out, but one of the chainsaw blades was dull. And the weather started picking back up. So we kind of drove over a few trees, snaking in and out of the ditch in the Jeep, trying to get out. And couldn't go one way because of that group of like 6 or 7 trees that was down. So we turned around and we drove over the edge of one tree, and when I floored it, the ass end slung around, and there was a little nub on that tree, and it blew my tire. So I had to limp it back to the house. Luckily, Justin had a spare 33 laying around, so I went and snatched it so we could go back out and finish clearing out all the trees. It's crazy how people freak out when shit like this happens. Yesterday, getting gas was unreal. Luckily, I was able to go 2 times to a gas station right down the road. I couldn't fit very many cars in there, so the lines were actually pretty short. But as soon as people can get out of their house, they go out and they start rampaging and trying to get in all these stores, and it's ridiculous. You need to stay in the house as long as you can. See if we can't go in here and get a few things. Fuck no. Well, this is going to be interesting. I'm just trying to get some soap. And some dishwashing soap. Soap for the shower, soap for the dishes. You also got to look out for the people who are trying to scam others right now. I seen a guy on Marketplace yesterday selling it's a generator, it's a Ryobi generator, 8600 watt I think it is. They go for $8.99 plus taxes. You're probably around $950, let's say $1,000. He's on there trying to sell it for $1,500, saying if you don't like my price then you can go and get your own and this and that. And I get paying a little more for the convenience of not having to go fight in the store. $1,100, you know, maybe 12, but $1,500 is just, that's too far. That's ridiculous. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get into Walmart. I might have to go hit up like a Walgreens or something. Okay, motherfuckers just said, fuck the hurricane, I'm going to the gym. My fat ass should probably be in the gym. Appreciate it, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. For what it is.
Yeah.
Dome and the Cascade. Well, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Honestly, I didn't figure I'd be able to get in and get out in a reasonable amount of time. Yeah, the QT's got power. It did not have power yesterday. You don't want to wait, make your own way. Bubble butts. Trees. That looked like a good road to do wheelies on.